Hello, with the knowledge I'm about to impart, you may use this free website to generate daily earnings of $200 to $500. You'll experience benefits much faster than you could have ever anticipated if you simply do the straightforward procedures I provide in this little video. In addition, I discovered a method for using this website to produce 10 times more revenue with no further work. So make sure you stick with me to the end of the video. I'd like to introduce the univoxcommunity.com app to you today. Once you reach this page, you may see Take Surveys and Earn Incentives here. To download this mobile application, visit your App Store or the Google Play Store. The Join to Get $2 button can be clicked to create a free, global account. You can earn awards and points that can be later exchanged for actual money after completing the surveys and other tasks on this website. To gain immediate access, complete the form below and click Sign Up Now here. Verifying your email is crucial after making a free account. Signing up takes only a few minutes and is very simple. The first piece of advice I can give you is to always check your account each day to see if you have a free spin waiting for you. To spin once for free with a chance to win 100, 250, 500, or even 1,000 points, all you have to do is log into your account each day. $1 is equal to 100 points. You can instantly get $10 for free by spinning the freewheel and earning 1,000 points. As relevance will be selected by default, the next thing I want you to do is to click on a sort by, making sure you choose points, high to low, because you have to choose from point high to point low. It implies that you may complete these surveys on your phone, computer, or any other device and that they are really simple to complete. You only need to click the I Take Questionnaires button to finish these surveys. You can see that you may now start a survey out with a straightforward question. After that, click Account next to your username. It will direct you to this page. As directed, click Communication Preference. Then you will select and click on this button right here. Make sure 5 or more is chosen for the email setting. This is significant because you will receive 5 or more email invitations per day, which means you will receive more high-paying surveys and simpler tasks to do to increase your income. Additionally, you are eligible to receive additional free spins with each check-in. This is a remarkably simple method for you to get free recommendations from all over the world. The last piece of advice I have for you can increase your income by 10 times. You will be directed to this page when you click on A Profile Surveys over here. While some polls only pay $1 or $2, you can make twice as much money, or even up to $5 more, by completing surveys that pay $10 or $15. To be eligible for the high-paying surveys, you must finish the profile surveys. That's it for today. So hurry and sign up. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. See you in the next video.